Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete business account on Facebook, or let's just say you have your Facebook page and this is your business account. So what you're going to do here, if you think that, for example, this one is unnecessary and you want to delete this Facebook page or Facebook business account right here. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to switch, or you need to switch your personal account and switch this to your page account or your business account. And once you're on your business account, you have to go to your settings and privacy and locate access and control. Under access and control, you will see options here like deactivate or delete your Facebook page or business account. Then, of course, you have to click the second one, tap confirm. So, as much as possible, I highly recommend that you download information here or you transfer information in case there are files here that you needed or you need in the future. So once you transfer, download info, click confirm. And then here you need to confirm that this is your page, this is your business account. You have to enter the password here and then proceed. Now they will ask you if you do want to delete your Facebook page or business account, then you can just click confirm. You have 30 days to restore or reactivate it. Then after 30 days, if no action, then they will delete your Facebook page or your Facebook business account. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.